This video is dedicated for all the nurses who are looking for learning resources to prepare for NMC OSCE. Is there an approved format for NMC OSCE? Is there any guarantee that you will pass your exam if you prepare for your NMC OSCE in the way your trainer has prepared you? The answer is no. All the trainers, even the NHS hospitals, train the candidates appearing for OSCE in a guided manner. Yes, some of the trainers are trained with universities for NMC, train the trainer course for OSCE. But still there is no specified order or method, like a written book which guarantees success if you follow the steps detailed in it. So the question arising now is how to make sure that you have well prepared for your NMC OSCE. This video helps you with learning resources available for preparation of NMC OSCE, and also most importantly how to use it. Before we begin, NMC OSCE is now conducted by the following centres: Oxford Brookes, Northampton University, Ulster University, Northumbria University, and Leeds Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust. Before it was only conducted by 3 centres. There were problems with marking of OSCE and the way it was conducted. So these centres together came with the idea of set guidelines for conducting an NMC OSCE. These were published in the centre websites, helping candidates to get an idea of how OSCE is done. There are some documents available at all centres for the candidate information. Let's discuss those one by one. Adult OSCE Marking Criteria. This document involves bullet points on how your performance in OSCE is marked in each stations of assessment, planning, implementation, evaluation, evidence-based practice, and professional values and behaviors station. This also have marking criteria for all the skills you may need to perform in the NMC OSCE. Adult OSCE marking criteria is considered as the Bible of NMC OSCE. When practicing NMC OSCE, please make sure that you are not missing any point laid down in the marking criteria. For example, in the stations like evidence-based practice, professional values and behavior station, you need to by heart the marking criteria depending on the specific scenario. These are silent writing stations in NMC OSCE. Adult OSCE Top Tips. This document provides the tips to pass your OSCE. In other words, this document depicts the actions that can make you fail OSCE. It's a must-read when you are preparing for your NMC OSCE. Even though many trainers make their own marking criteria, these top tips and marking criteria laid down by these centres are the prime documents. So it's essential for candidates preparing for an NMC OSCE to go through this document very carefully. OSCE Time Limits Document. We are very sure that you will be practicing different stations within the time limit given in the scenario. This document provides you with time limit for each stations and skills. It can be changing once in a while, so it's necessary for you to read this document to make sure that you are within the loop. For e.g., ANTT was a 15-minute station in Old OS. Legacy OS, which is now 21-minute station in new OSCE. ANTT skill is now combined with wound assessment skill as well. So it's important for you to know the time limit of this station and to practice these skills together within the given time frame. Mock scenarios. This document helps you know how the scenarios are given in each station. It also has sample medicine administration record, which is the prime document in implementation station. It's important to know what will be given in each scenario or station. For example, you need to know the codes for not administering a medication, and also the space for writing your reason in the MAR document. Also, you need to practice writing your nursing interventions in the planning station in the prescribed document and prescribed space given. You also should practice writing the interventions along with the signature in the specified place in the document within the given time frame. It's horrible to know that some candidates have failed the planning station for merely forgetting to put their signature in. In mock scenario document, you will also get sample sheets of the News 2 document, neurological assessment document, and PHQ-9 document as well. It's important you familiarize with these ones before you attend your NMC OSCE. Candidate Information Booklet. Candidate Information Booklet may be a bit different in different centres. The main purpose of this document is what to expect at your OSCE centre, what to wear for your OS, etiquettes expected from candidates, the confidentiality agreement, etc. It's useful to have a glance on this document as well before you leave to your test center. How is www.oscetrainer.com is helping you to prepare for your NMC OSCE? OSCEtrainer.com has accumulated all the above specified documents for preparation of your NMC OSCE. We have laid down our foundation in the Bible of OSCE, that is adult OSCE marking criteria, while explaining each of the stations. We are now improving our documents from the suggestions and recommendations from our colleagues who has recently attended the NMC OSCE. If you have any suggestions, recommendations or other documents that you think can help others considerably other than given on our website, please send us those on nurseforYou@mail.com. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel if you found it useful.